railing system with the Easy Tech features is the easiest vinyl railing system on the market to install. All of the components for a railing section, no matter what length, 4, 6, 8, 10, or stairs, comes in one carton with all the fasteners and everything you need to fill the area between the posts. It's a good idea to use your carton as a protector to lay your parts out and understand what parts of the system there are and how it goes together. Using the carton to lay the parts out keeps them clean and keeps them from being scratched. Included in the carton is the bottom and top rail on the Savannah series. They're both the same. The aluminum reinforcement comes in the item. Other components are your balusters. You may have extra balusters depending on how small you cut your railing section down to. Also included are the upper and lower brackets. Also come included in the kit. All the screw covers are the same. There are no tops or bottoms, rights or lefts. All of them are the same. Also included is a stainless steel hardware kit. It gives you the anchoring screws for placing your brackets on the posts and screwing them on. Rust-free stainless steel. Also includes the side screws that go into the rail to make the system secure and safe, with the white button covers to cover them. Also, it has a full instruction sheet with tips that guide you through the installation. This railing system is completely code compliant under the IRC regulations. Color guard post sleeves are supplied in a plastic bag to protect it during shipment from any scratching or getting dirty. Also on the job site, it ensures that you can keep the post nice and clean until it's installed. The post fits nicely over a 4x4 wooden post. That's what your installation demands. Or we have a color guard post mounting bracket. Is a leveling post mounting bracket, adjustable to get it straight. This bracket can be used on concrete, wood, composite deck, or any place that you need a post that's difficult to install wood. Both make a nice, secure, solid area for mounting your railing. The next step in your installation is to figure out how long you need your railing sections. Keeping in mind that you want the holes equidistant from both posts on the end, so you have equal spacing, so when your project is completed, it looks clean and uniform. The best way to do this is to slip the brackets over and set it into the opening, and make sure that you have equal spacing from the end of each hole on both ends. You can see by this picture that we have one hole we're cutting off here and two holes we're cutting off on the other side. That's a normal situation where you just move it back and forth until you have it lined up the way you need it. The next step then is to take it and mark it on the back on both sides, and you'll have your length. Then remove your brackets, lay your railing together so that you have the top and bottom rail exactly the same, mark them the same, and then cut them. A cutting tip is to slip the aluminum back just a little bit from the end of the vinyl rail system, just about 1/8 of an inch, so that when you cut, you can slide it the other direction, and when you're completed, you won't have any aluminum sticking out that's going to put any streaks on your post. We're now ready to install our lower rail. To make it easy to install the lower rail, a little tip is to cut 2 blocks of wood to use so that you have something to support the railing while you're installing it, so that it's an even height on both sides of the post and equal spacing. Slip the brackets on, slip it into the opening, set it on your posts. Line up your brackets. Take one of your stainless steel fasteners. Insert it. These are self-drilling, self-tapping screws. And install your screw. It's best to go on opposite corners. One on the top on the front, one on the bottom on the back. To keep it from twisting, pushing one way or the other. Again, just pull them in nice and snug. There's no reason to over tighten and warp and twist your project. Just pull it together nice and smooth. That completes the installation of the bottom rail. Now we're installing the balusters. You start on one end, fit nicely into the holes. The tolerances are kept very tight so that when you have your balusters in the holes, you don't have any gaps. Then take your top rail, make sure you put your brackets on. Start on one end, just insert the baluster into the hole. Work your way from one end to the other. Works very easily. Fit nicely in the holes. Slide it down and you're ready to go. Take your screw gun and again start on one end. Line it up nice and straight. Pull it together nice and snug, not overdoing it. Again, opposite corners like any other good workmanship. Opposite corners works the best. Make sure it's nice and straight. Run your screw in. Once you have the outside started, move to the other end. Line it up. Run your screw in. Move to the opposite corner. Again, then you can finish off installing the upper rail. Getting all the screws in, and you'll have a nice, secure railing system. The next step is to install the small screws that hold the bracket, the railing, and the aluminum and pulls the integrity of the system together to make it safe and meet all codes. Just run the screw in, pop the cover on, and you're ready to go. These are self-tapping stainless steel screws that do not require any pre-drilling. Now that section is complete and your railing is all secure, pulled together nice and tight. A couple of features that need to happen yet are the covers. It's a good idea to wait until everything is in place and everything is secure, and then you can snap your covers on to cover your fasteners. Again, these covers are universal, so if you're putting up stair rail, straight rail, doesn't really matter. All the covers are the same, all fit the same. There's no sorting process whatsoever. These are a one-time fit designed to go on once so that they are secure and lock on nice and tight. They can very carefully be removed as necessary, but that's why we recommend you wait until the final end of the process and snap the covers on. Now that our railing is all assembled and secure and finished, the covers are on over the screws, it's time to finish out the installation process. We have a two-piece collar that fits around the bottom of the post. Just put it around, snap it on nice and tight together, and you've got the bottom of the post trimmed. And then we recommend that you take a little bit of silicone or really any kind of caulk, put a little bit on the inside, put it on your caps. Your caps go on and your project is complete. Again, fully code approved, 4, 6, 8, and 10-foot sections. Color guard, easy tech features, makes it the easiest vinyl railing system to install.